Ari Wallet
Hello
Airdrop.
guys, I want to quickly introduce you to this airdrop called Ari Chain. Hopefully it's going to be launched next month or upper one. So there's login, there's sign up already. I've signed up already, but let me show you how it's done. You click on agree to all, then you move. You put your email, your password, confirm your password, then copy the referral code that will be on the comment section and put here. After that, you go over to the next one. Let me take, for instance, my email. So let's see. If you create your password and the rest of it, it will take you over to the next step, which I believe is going to navigate. Which I believe once you fix all this, that it will surely navigate. Then after that, you click on login. Now I need to log in so that I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm logging in because I have accounts already. Then I need to type in my passwords. So I've logged in, and this is what you have to do. Click on check-in. Server connection failed. I think they are having network problem. So then go over here, daily quiz. I've done the check-in though. You go over here, the daily quiz, you click on go. So this is how I usually got my daily quiz answers. I go to X, which is formerly Twitter. I go there and I type Ari Chain. Come over here and I type Ari Wallet Quiz. So for Ari Chain, the answer is EOS. So I have to come and click EOS and click on check. So I've received that ARA. Then these are general tags. You follow them, you have some points. And this one says I followed this one. So that's what you have to do. Every day you come in, you do your daily check-in, and for your daily quiz, you go to Twitter and you get the answer. That's all.